Open them. He's already realized size over.
You think so?
Yeah, he just threw the smaller one off to the side to see what's in the bigger one. Tear it open. What's in it, Jess? What's in it?
Come on, get it, Jess. Get it.
Tear it. Try from this side. This side. Just go like this.
Get it, get it, get it.
Now rip it.
Who is that, Jess? Jess, who is that? Who is it? Aw, sweetheart.
This is not a prank.
The dog is talking.
5.
Entering mode. Well, I think you better.
How did Dad wrap this thing?
What are those, Jess?
Attention spies. Get the necklace back.
First person to get the bad guy wins. Game on, hammer time.
That's good.
Alright, open
Now
the
what's in
last
the
one.
last one. The one you... This one.
Open that one. Oh, honey, Kiki's got stuff stuck to her.
December is a time for getting together with families, so gather the kids and enjoy any Disney classics. Fall in love with Beauty and the Beast.
What's that? Yeah. Say Merry Christmas, Dada.
Merry Christmas, Goofy.
Look at the camera.
Merry Christmas.